Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back with another powerful weight loss tea for you. You understand me? This is powerful. This tea is going to help you to lose that 15 pounds, that 15 extra pounds in your body in only 1 week. So let's get into this video right now. What you're going to need is a pan, and you're also going to need a blender. Okay, so if you have a little blender, that's fine. So now let me show you some of the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need like a handful of parsley. Please excuse my parsley, it's getting a little wilted. I want to use it before it's no good, but fresh parsley is a must. You're also going to need a piece of ginger. You're going to need 1 whole lemon. Make sure it's scrubbed and washed properly. You're also going to need 1 cucumber. So a regular sized cucumber is fine. You're also going to need some aloe vera leaf. Now if you don't have the aloe vera leaf and you have the aloe vera gel, okay, this is my Lily of the Valley aloe vera gel. That is just as good. Now, we're also going to be using something different today. We're going to be using coconut oil. Let me tell you guys something. I got a wonderful video coming out for you guys. It was a highly requested video on coconut oil and weight loss. So stay tuned for that video. We're also going to be using 1 cup of water. Okay, so we're going to start this off right now by putting our 1 cup of water into our pan. And we're just going to mince it up. We're going to pop that inside of our water. Okay. Now we're going to cut and skin our ginger. Okay. Now this is all you're going to need. So if you can grate this, that's even better. Okay. So we're going to just chop or grate, slice our ginger pieces because we want the juices from the ginger. Okay. We're going to put that in our water as well. So we're going to take our lemons and we're going to slice our lemons. Okay. And you're going to take your lemons and you're going to put it in your water as well. Because we're boiling this. We're going to boil all the wonderful juices out of our lemons and the skin. So put everything in there. Put it on a low flame. And we're going to simmer this down for at least 10 minutes. Okay? And I'll be right back after that's done. Wonderful flavors in there. Okay? We'll be right back after 10 minutes. Now, in the meantime, what we're going to do is get our blender cup ready, because we have to start blending up some of these things. Alright, so we're just going to cut our cucumbers into slices because we want to be able to get this through the blades of the blender. Now, you don't necessarily have to use the whole entire cucumber if it's this big, but I love some cucumber juice. So what I'm going to do is blend this down, and then I'll come back and finish the rest of the video. Now there's a few different ways that you can actually make this recipe, and one of that is just boil the ginger and the lemons together, which is what I should have just done. and then you just could have added the parsley into your blender. But what I did was I extracted the juices from the parsley by blending it together in the pot with the lemon and the ginger. So just know that either way is okay to do. You could have just waited till the end and added your parsley. So instead of straining this out, I'm going to put everything into my cup because I also like the taste of the ginger. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of my coconut oil. And I'm going to put it right inside my blender cup. And lastly, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of your aloe vera gel into your blender cup as well. Now, if you have the aloe vera leaf, you're going to scrape it out and add 1 tablespoon of that in there. Okay? You guys, so you're going to get your cup, your mug, and pour it in. Now, one of the reasons why this is so full is because of the cucumbers. That size cucumber really gave a lot of juice. It did at least 2 cups or maybe a little bit more. Alright? So there you have it, your wonderful detox drink. That you drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. And let's see how this tastes. Oh yeah. Powerful ingredients, you guys. You're going to lose up to 15 pounds with this wonderful, powerful detox drink. If you drink this at least in the morning and also before bed, I tell you, within a week, you will definitely see your body shrinking and coming down. All right? So thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it and you want to see more videos like this. And also share these videos, you guys. Don't just keep them for yourself. Share them with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. And also look down below in the description box. I got links down below if you want to be a blessing to this channel. Any amount to donate is welcome, and that will help me to bring much better quality content. So this way I can bring more fabulous videos for you, okay? I thank you all for joining me, and I will see you in the next video.
Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos, okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.